Today, we are going to be writing the formula for the ionic compound magnesium oxalate. So, let's work from left to right. The first thing I see is magnesium. I'm going to scan the periodic table to see where magnesium is. And magnesium is right over here. It's represented by an Mg. And all elements in group 2 are all alkaline earth metals. So they're metals, and they all have a charge of a +2. They all want to give up 2 electrons. So I'm going to say Mg plus 2. The next thing I see here is oxalate, and here's a little trick, guys. Anytime that you see an ATE ending in your name, that's a polyatomic ion. But polyatomic ions are never going to be found on the periodic table. You have to memorize them. So I just wrote down what oxalate is for the case of this video. But use flashcards, write it out, do whatever you got to do to just remember that oxalate is C2O4 with a -2 charge. Now, since we have both components, we do a little trick where we take the charges and we crisscross them to just say how many of the other component we need. So in this case, this +2 will crisscross down, telling me that I need 2 oxalates. And then this -2 will crisscross down, telling me that I need 2 magnesiums. When you do your crisscrossing, don't worry about the positives and the negatives. Only just write down the whole number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., because it's just used as counting numbers and subscripts. Now here's the thing. If you come up with 2 of the same number in an ionic compound, you have to simplify it. Ionic compounds always need to be in their simplified form. So we can simplify these numbers by doing division, right? I could divide both of these by 2 to get a lower number. If I divide both of them by 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And since 1 is a lower number than 2, I will use 1 as the subscripts. Now I'm ready to write my formula. So in this case, I have magnesium. Now I only have 1 of them. So I'm not going to write the 1, you don't have to. And then I have 1 of the oxalate. If you have 1 polyatomic, you do not need parentheses. So it's just C2O4. And I don't need to write the 1 as well. And now I'm done. So magnesium oxalate is MgC2O4. And that's it. Thank you so much for viewing the video. I really hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. That will help us out tremendously, and I thank you so much for that. Let's keep going. Good luck on your future tests and quizzes, and I will see you all in future lessons. Bye-bye.